What do you want to know? We will tell you the answer to anything you want to know. The key is asking the questions. You have to ask the right question. So I found a way after that, at every time I did a UFO case, they would come through. Every kind of species you could possibly imagine. It was very exciting. The first time it was the little grays, and they were very mechanical. That was how they sounded. And they explained the little grays are biological created entities. You can call them a robot if you want. They're not mechanical, they are biologically created. And they are created by the larger grays that are on the huge motherships. And you know, if we're going to create a little being to do work for us, we're going to make it look like us.